Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome to Mail Call. This was from yesterday, wasn't it, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
And I think Mr. Announcer got me this.
Yes, I did.
So I'm kind of feeling the bag, like you do when your parents put your presents under the tree, or when anybody puts anything under the tree, you kind of go in there, excuse me, and you start feeling. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. I've already opened. Okay. Oh, it's a trick or treat. It's a, come on. What the heck? Oh, look here. It's
Open it all the way up.
It's a burrito. It's a burrito. Let's see what the burrito says inside. Yum, yum, eat 'em up. Okay, here we go. A burrito. Oh, okay. Let me open this sucker up. A burrito. Where on earth did you find this thing at? A burrito. And so we're going to open it up. The burrito. Invitation leather. Kind of good feel. Kind of cool. Alright, here we go. And it's a, it's a pin thing, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So well, thank you. Look. Pretty good?
I wouldn't use it for the larger pens, but I think it's okay for small ones.
Well, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, you're probably right. This one may fit. Yeah, that would fit. Here's a large one here. I think it will fit because you have this elastic. Yeah, that'll fit. And, let me see. How about a Kaweco? I'm sure they'll fit. So, yeah, I think it's going to work just fine. There's another fat one. Noodlers. Music. Yeah, there you go. Well, what do you think? That's the ingredients for this burrito. Now, here's how you eat a burrito. Like that. Bye!